Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Mealie on AlmaLinux 9. First, update the system and install the required dependencies. Next, add the official Docker repository compatible with AlmaLinux 9. Then, refresh the repository metadata. Continue to install Docker Engine and Docker Compose plugin. Enable Docker at boot. Start the Docker service. Verify Docker installation and Docker Compose availability. Next, create a project directory. Continue to create a Docker Compose file and paste the following configuration. Then, create persistent storage directories. Now, we will start Mealie. Download the required images. Next, start the containers in detached mode. Then, confirm containers are running. Next, install and enable Nginx. Then, create an Nginx configuration for Mealie. Paste the following configuration. After that, test and reload Nginx. Now, open your browser and go to the following URL. If Mealie loads correctly in your browser, the installation is complete.